everyone, good morning. Today we will do drawing. So open your book, hold your book vertically. Right here, balloon sailor. Start drawing. Draw one oval, lightly draw. Okay. Then that sailor wear cap. Ear. Now draw dark. Eyes, nose, neckline, shoulders, in this hand we hold balloons. You can draw your own shapes balloon, huh? No problem. But please draw lightly. For you, I am drawing dark. Because it will not visible to you if I draw lightly. So, I am doing dark, but you should draw lightly. How much balloons you want, you can draw. You can do design on these balloons. But how balloons design is there, na? Like that only you have to do. Shoes. Now background. For background, this much wall. This is footpath. Like these lines you have to do here on footpath. Here buildings you have to draw. Just symbolic we want to draw. Don't have to draw detail how building is. Just we want to suggest that there is a building. Okay. Okay. Here what you have to do? Here you have to draw these type blocks. Just draw blocks, not exactly square, not exactly round. Like stone you have to draw, that wall made with stones. So you have to draw like this. How to color I will show you, don't worry about that. Fully you have to draw these blocks. See, like this you have to draw blocks. Okay, now we can start coloring. Take your colors. I will show you where you have to color which color. Okay. Here I took violet color for his t-shirt. Okay. Fully color this t-shirt. Then for pant, you can color yellow color because violet and yellow are opposite colors. So you can color yellow color for his pant, brown color for belt. Color this much first, then I will show next part. Finish coloring. Now boy's face. Yes, skin color. Skin color. And you can use yellow color again for his cap. Okay. And for shoes don't color anything. White only we want. So color this much for finish. Boys coloring, correct? Now we will color balloons. For balloons you can choose your own colors. So do your own. But choose bright color. Okay, don't choose dull color. वो बलून सेलर है तो उससे बलून लेने का मन करना चाहिए. ऐसे वाले कलर्स लो जिससे सबको, सब बच्चों को अच्छा, आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा. वो वाले कलर्स बलून्स को देख के. Like this you can color balloons. For building you can use light color, any light color, and just do that color also lightly here, and vertically color. We don't want to do details in this building, so do lightly. In the background of building, lightly do light blue color, because this is sky. So lightly do. Fully and vertically only you have to color. See, finish background building also. Now this one wall. Here you can see I am done some little part here. Right? Now I will tell you how you have to do. Simple. Just do lightly in the blocks with the pencil. Lightly. Just do lightly in these blocks. Lightly. See how lightly I am doing. Okay? And in this space between that two blocks, there you have to do dark. With pencil only you have to do. Like this. Understood? In the blocks, lightly. And in this space, do darkly with your pencil only. Right? Here also lightly and vertically. In this line, vertically lightly you have to do. In blocks, lightly. In the space, darkly. Okay? Do fully. Finish. Now, here you have to do brown color lightly. Just and horizontally you have to color this brown and lightly you have to color. Then we will draw again that lines with pencil. See, just trace that lines like this. Okay, finish this one. Now take grey color here. This one also horizontally and lightly. If you don't have grey color, yes, you can use pencil. Finish road. In this window, brown, not so dark, just now take yellow color and black color for this footpath. alternate you have to color yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Now black color. Finish coloring. Okay. Now these lines, thread, that means balloons thread. Okay. Eyes. Finish. Okay, understood now everything? Not so hard, I think, right? Okay. Do neatly, color neatly. This part only new. Otherwise everything is same. Correct? Do neatly these all things. Lightly, background only you have to color lightly. That means then only our main character will come forward. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you. Hi. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Wow. Today we will draw flower pot. So, open your drawing book vertically. Now write here flower pot. Now from upside, see, four fingers, 2 times 4 fingers you have to leave space, and from here you have to draw flower pot. Then we will draw here flowers. How much space you have to leave? 4 plus 4, that means 8 finger space you have to leave. Then draw one middle line, lightly draw. Here, from here we have to start flower pot. See how much you drawn this line to this side, that much only here you have to draw. Curve line you have to draw here. See, both sides should be same, same level. So try to draw same type. Now one time we drawn this type curve. Now here you have to draw outer side curve like this. This is inner side, this is outer side. Same thing you have to do this side also. Slanting line. Finish. Pot shape. Rub these middle lines. The design I am showing, simple design, not too much design we are going to do. See, curve line, 2 curve line. Then here we have to do these types curves. Okay. Now here what you have to do, in this much space you have to draw triangles like this. कैसे भी ट्रायंगल निकालो, सीधे, आड़े टेढ़े कैसे भी निकालो, बट बड़े बड़े निकालो। और दो ट्रायंगल के बीच में ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं चाहिए। अंडरस्टूड? डोंट लीव टू मच डिस्टेंस इन टू ट्रायंगल्स। Like this, you have to fill this space with the triangle. See, completely I fill this space with the triangle, right? Like this you have to draw. Finish. Now we have to draw here flowers. Flowers also you have to draw big. ऐसे छोटे 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 इधर 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 नहीं, एकदम अच्छे से तीन चार ही निकालो फ्लावर्स, बट बड़े बड़े निकालो. Circle, then you know na how you will have to draw flowers, like this. Wherever you want you can draw flowers. Leaf, no need to draw leaf to each and every flower. If you have space then only draw. Two more flowers I am doing. If you don't have space then no need to draw. Here ground line. Okay, finish drawing. Now we will start coloring. Let's start. Okay, let's start. Open your color box. For flowers we will use red and yellow only. Okay, see how we will use red and this one yellow. If you use yellow color from the circle, half only you have to color, then you will use red color here. Okay, again little bit use yellow. One more time I am showing. See, halfly you have to use yellow, then red, again little bit use yellow, then it will look mixed. Correct? One more. Now yellow. Like this you have to color full flower. These two petals also same you have to color. Okay. Now in different flower we will use red from the circle and yellow here. Okay. Again red from the circle, yellow, yellow. Understood? One time I use yellow from the circle and one time I use red from the circle. Okay, like this you have to color these all flowers. See, first I feel where I want to one color, there I feel first. Then I am using second color, simple. Finish all flowers. Now we will use brown color to these circles. Okay. Now green color. Do single color because there is no space to do shading right now. So do single color and leaf. Finish flowers. Now we will color pot. For this pot we will use blue. First what you have to do, draw outline just. Like this. Outline. Then lightly fill this space. Okay, now here what you have to do, here in the middle draw this type rectangle and color that darkly. Okay, and here you have to color lightly with that blue only. Do outline here also. Like this. Now take orange color. Same thing we will do here also. Outline. And lightly in this flower also outline. Do first outline and lightly do. Now here I took light blue. For this triangle, same technique we will use. Outline and then fill lightly. Each and every triangle you have to do like this only. Outline and in middle lightly do. See how it is looking like this, outline and in middle lightly. All triangles you have to do like this only and with light blue only. See, I completed first outline. Now I am filling that middle space. Finish triangles also. Now with pencil what you have to do, you have to fill that space which is between two triangles. See how I am doing. Between two triangles there is a space, na? So you have to fill that space with pencil. See, take a close look. See, like this you have to do, with pencil. Okay, now background. For background you have to draw straight lines okay. Now take a pink color. Same process here also we will do. Outline and here horizontally fill that space lightly. Okay, all parts, all lines you have to do same. Finish background also, right? Now here we will give yellow ochre. Again same thing we will do. First what? Yes, outline with dark. Okay, yellow ochre. If you want thick border, then do double. Now yellow ochre also lightly, horizontally in this middle part. Finish. Here also again do outline to this pot. Okay, finish today's drawing. Understood now what I told? Everything you have to color first outline dark and in middle part lightly. Do neatly and try to do what I am telling, what I am teaching here. Okay, bye bye, thank you.